Alright guys, good day, it's your boy Padre, the crypto guy. Alright, today we are going to be doing a Pontoon Incentivised TestNet version 2, and it's ending today. It's ending on the 2nd, that is tomorrow, so you have to try and do it today. I got this information rather late, so yeah, this is when it started. Duration is 20 days, started 24th of January, and it's ending on the 2nd of March, which is tomorrow. This is the reward, 5,000 multi-chain tokens. Okay, that's going to be split within these chains like Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, and Celo. But these two networks, I'm unable to get them. It doesn't work on the testnet page. All right, so this is the page. This is the page. Okay, this is where you get to you go and get the faucets. You need some faucet token here. Normal as usual, I'm going to drop the link in the description. We need to get some faucet token there, and then we can do we can do all of this. So I've been hearing complaints that I'm rather too fast, but I can't do otherwise. All right, so I'll try as much as I can to do it. For those of you that are really finding it difficult to follow up, you can DM me and we can fix something for you. I'll be making separate video for you, but as usual, I'm using data for this, so I'm going to need some little token from you if this is fast for you. Okay, all right, so let's go. I'm going to be using Yandex. Let me show you, if you are using Android phone, how you can get your Yandex browser and then how to set it up. Usually I'm supposed to skip this part, but so that for some of you that don't have Yandex or Kiwi browser, you can get it. I use this time to get it today. So this is my Play Store. I'm just going to type Yandex. So this is Yandex. I don't know how it is on your iOS or Apple phone. Okay, so this is how you do it on Android. So I've already downloaded it. So if you have not downloaded it, just click here and you download. All right, so when you have your Yandex now, let me go to my Yandex browser. Where we are. All right, here's my Yandex browser. Then to get your MetaMask extension added, all you need to do in this search bar, just type MetaMask extension. You see MetaMask Chrome extension. Okay, then you click this side, click here, and then scroll to this side. At this particular edge, you see where it says add this thing. I've already added it, that's why mine is like this, so you just add. I don't want to remove it, so that's how to add it. Now once you've added it, all you need to do, click on these 3 dotted lines here, right? All right, and then you can see extensions here. All right, in that extension, that's where you get your MetaMask. You can see the ones I've added already. These are the ones I've added. All right, so in that extension, once you click your MetaMask, I think I had this MetaMask. Yours now, since it's new, it's going to ask you to import. You don't want to import a new one. You can import the other one using your seed phrase, the one you've been using before, or you can just set it up. Okay, let me pause this and log in. All right, so here's my MetaMask account. Okay, good. This is my MetaMask account. What do you need to do? You need to enable testnet network. Let me show you how you can do that. From here, you go to settings, right? Settings. I know some people still say, oh, I don't understand. You have to understand. All right, so this is you go to advanced, so that I can enable testnet network. Yes, advanced, right? You can see I have my testnet network enabled. All right, once your testnet network is enabled, you can see testnet network here. All these ROP10 testnet, Covant testnet, because you're going to be using Covant testnet for this, and Bina. Okay, then that's it. You have enabled the default testnet. Now I'm going to show you how you can add additional testnet, like we are going to be using Matic, Avalanche, Bina's testnet, Bina Smart Chain testnet, and what's the other one? Covant testnet. The Covant testnet is there by default already. So I'm going to show you how to add Avalanche, how to add Binance testnet, how to add Matic. All right, so to do that, I'm going to drop a link in the description as well. You go to chainlink, chainlist.org, this website, chainlist.org. Go to chainlist.org, connect your wallet. You click here to connect your wallet. All right, good. My wallet is already connected. So these are all the testnet, plenty testnet network that are here. So which one am I? I said we are going to be doing Matic. We are going to be adding Matic to our test network. I'll do only for Matic, so you can do the rest yourself. So this Polygon Matic, this is the mainnet. This is the mainnet, but the one I'm looking for is the testnet. So the testnet is this Mumbai, yes. All right. So just click on Add to MetaMask. All right, and then you'll be prompt to sign this wherever. This thing will come up and it will ask you to switch. I've already added this, so I'm not doing it again. So that's how to add Matic. To add Binance testnet. Binance testnet is Binance Smart Chain testnet. Just type Binance, and then you see the network here. All right. So this is the one. This one down here. This is the testnet. Right. This one down here is the testnet. If you want to add the mainnet, you can add this one. Okay. So the testnet is already added. Just click on add. And then add. Okay, mine is already done, so I'm not doing it again. All right. With that done, let's go to my MetaMask. Where's my MetaMask now? With that done now, let's go to my MetaMask. This is my MetaMask. Okay, now this is my it's on the Ethereum mainnet, so let me change it to Kovan testnet. All right, so this is my Kovan. Like I told you, you need Kovan. So this is my Kovan. I have some balance on my Kovan testnet, right? I have some balance. All right. Now, if you don't have any balance, copy this your address. I'll show you where you can get the Kovan testnet from. Though I tried right now, I think it's not going now. So you copy your address. Okay, let's go. Let me check if I've dropped the faucet site. Okay, that okay, the one here is for Polygon Matic and for whatever. All right, let me go back to my Yandex browser. This will take a little bit much time, yes, so the link, this is the link to the Kovan testnet. I'm going to drop the link in the description as usual. So let me see. No, this is not my. We need to connect this guy. So disconnect this. I need to first of all disconnect it. Okay, I think it's connected to one of my wallets already. So let me try and disconnect it. Let me first of all disconnect it from the Kovan testnet. From the, let me see, connected site. All right, disconnect it from the faucet link. All right, good. So I'll go back to my airdrop king. All right, let me go back to the faucet link. So now I need to connect my wallet to it, right? To connect your wallet, click here, click on this menu, and then you see connect wallet. So I'm going to connect wallet. You see how only setting up of this thing is taking all my time. All right, so I'll connect your wallet. Wallet is connected. Then your address will appear here, automatic, right? Yes. So I'm going to request for 0.1 test it on the Kovan test network. All right, so fire hydrant, fire hydrant, done. Okay, so remember this thing is on Ethereum. That's the Kovan. That's the one I want, not any other one. So I'm going to send request and then wait for it. Sometimes it could take a while. Sometimes it just go at once. But if for any reason you don't get this Kovan testnet, it doesn't work for you, you can check on YouTube, on Google, say Ethereum. All right, good. So it's done. It successfully, the test Ethereum 0.1 ETH has been transferred to my wallet. All right. So I'll copy this link. I'm going to copy this full site link and I'll put it in the description as well, because I see it's not here. So so that's for Ethereum. So I've requested for test ETH, test Kovan ETH. The next one I'm going to do is Polygon. All right, then I'll do Avalanche. Okay, also this one is Binance Smart Chain. Okay, that's how to do it. So let's go for Matic. First of all, I'll check my wallet if I've gotten the test ETH, the test ETH I requested. So I'll check my wallet. This is my wallet. So the test ETH 0.1, it has arrived. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is my send. It has not arrived yet, but it will arrive. Okay, it's just a matter of time, and I'll wait for it. Okay, but be it as it may, this one, the one I have is already more than enough for me to run the testnet. So let's move to the next network. I've gotten testnet for my Ethereum Kovan testnet. Now I'll go to Matic. Matic, this Mumbai, that's Matic. This Mumbai is Matic. So I'll copy the address. Let me go and request for Matic test for Polygon testnet. Here's the link. Here's the link for the Polygon testnet. Polygon faucet. All right, so that's the link. I already have it open somewhere here. Where is it? So I already have it open, so I'm just going to go there straight. So this is the link for the Polygon Matic faucet. Yes, you can see it's on the Mumbai. On the network here is on the Mumbai. Then the token is Matic, right? The token is Matic. All right, so I'll paste the address I copied here. So that's my address. So I'll just submit to request one Matic. Request submitted successfully. The transfer is on the way. Token will be transferred to your wallet, soon. All right, so I'm waiting for it. While I'm waiting for it, let me check my wallet now for the Matic. All right, so I know it to drop, so it maybe take a little time. While we wait for the Matic, I'm going to be doing for AVX. Yes. Or let me pause the video and wait for it. All right, so I have some Matic now. Let me send. The next one we do is Avalanche. So it's the Avalanche Fuji testnet. Do where to add it through the other one and whatever I showed you. Okay, so 0 Avas. Let me go to the Ava testnet site. AVX, where are you? So here's it. AVS. So let me put my address. So you can only do one request per hour. So this is vehicles. So I'm going to place request for this AVX. So I've requested for 10 AVAX Fuji testnet. The link is the link is here for you to request for it. This is the link for it. All right. So the last one is Binance testnet, Binance Smart Chain. This is the link for you to use. I already have that Binance, so I'm not going to do it. So I'm not going to request for the Binance again. All right, now let me go to my wallet. Yes, my AVX has arrived. I have 10 here. Let me check Matic, the Mumbai Matic. All right, the the Matic I requested has not dropped. Okay, this one I send it to this account. So sometimes if it doesn't drop, you have to take your time. If Matic doesn't drop, any of those ones that don't drop, ignore them and do the one that drop for you. You know, why you wait for them, why you try other alternative. Okay, but this Matic should be enough for me. So I have Matic now. I have Avalanche, Binance TestNet. Let me check. I have 0.7. This is more than enough for me on the Binance network. All right, so we've done with the first stage. That is requesting for faucet. The next thing to do is to go here. This is where we are doing the main thing. You go to this address, testnet.pontoon.fi. All right, so we're going to make swap, provide liquidity and all that. So let's go. I already opened the website. I already opened the site here. So this is the site. Here's the site, testnet.ponte.wherever. All right, so that will bring me here. All you need to do, connect your wallet. So connect. We're gonna connect our wallet. Remember, this testnet is ending tomorrow, so you need to do it today. You need to do it as quickly as possible. So I'm gonna connect my wallet. So I'm connected. All right, so this is what we are doing. We are going to make use of this bridge and this pool. That's it. That's all. That's all. Okay. We'll go back. So that's all we are doing today. So I'm going to bridge from my Binance to, let me use Avalanche to Binance. So I'm going to select the token. Okay. I think I missed something. We need to request for faucet. We need to request for free faucet from this Pontoon network. What's their name? We need to request for testnet token from their website. I'm going to bring that link. I'll go to the link now. I'll drop the link for that as well. So here is it. So this is where you request for this. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. So I'm connecting on the Binance Smart Chain network, on the Binance TestNet network first. So when you connect on the Binance TestNet network, you send this token is going to be sent to the Binance TestNet network, right? Only. Confirm. So we are paying fees in BNB for it. So that we can get some test token. The first thing to do, get the test token for all those individual network, right? Then you can come and start requesting for this person, this site. All right, now I want to request for, I've done for Binance, I'm going to do for Ethereum. So I will change this from this Binance chain to Kovan testnet, that's for Ethereum, and then I'm going to request for Avalanche and Polygon as well. So this Kovan, then I'll go back to this site again. This is a little bit trickish, okay, but you have to take your time. I know it's not going to be easy for the new people that are slow, the newbies. So back here, I'll send again because it's on a different network. Okay, this one is on Ethereum, and you don't need to include any. You don't need to include the address. The address is always there, automatic on its own there. So I'm going to confirm this. I'm paying Ethereum for fees. You can claim token once per address. But when you change your network, of course, it's on another network. So good. Let's go and change our network now to Mumbai. This Mumbai is Matic. Okay, let's change to Matic and request as well. All right, send. We're going to pay some Matic for fees. 0.002 Matic for fees. Done. Requested for that one. The last one is Avalanche. Avalanche. So remember, we are working with 4 network. The last one is Avalanche. So I'm going to request testnet again for Avalanche from this Pontoon full site. So Pontoon testnet full site. All right. Don't forget, it's your boy Aquinas Padre, the crypto guy, your friend in crypto. Please subscribe and like the YouTube, and like my YouTube, and like the video. Okay, I'll be dropping more video like I promised. So let's be doing lots of testnet airdrop, and be hopeful. This one they're going to be dropping about $5,000 worth. Is it 5,000 or 50,000 dollar worth of their token? You know, to people that are using the testnet. Okay. And it's ending tomorrow, so take action. All right, so I've requested the testnet for all the 4 network. Let me go to MetaMask now and switch back to Binance Smart Chain. I'm starting with Binance Smart Chain. All right, so I'm starting with the Binance Smart Chain testnet. So that's the year. All right, so let's go to the first. This site, yes, this is where we are. Let's go here now. Now I'm on Binance Smart Chain network. So let me check my tokens now. You can see all the testnet, all the tokens are reflected now. They are here now. These are the free ones. These are the ones I requested from the Pontoon testnet site. Okay. Now I want to make a swap from my Binance Smart Chain to my Avalanche. Okay. Then I'll select the token I want to swap. I want to swap DIRE. So I'm going to swap 697. So the address you are pasting here is the address of the wallet. This is the address you are pasting. So let's go to our MetaMask to copy the address. Remember, on MetaMask the address is the same for all of them. So I'll copy this, and then I'll go to this site to make a swap. So I'm going to paste the address here, and then I'll make a swap. Making a swap here is unlike any other swapping you've done before. When you after making the swap, you go back to the other network to redeem the swap. Now you're swapping with the address, and then you're going to the other network to redeem. It's kind of like trickish a little, but it's fun anyway. But that's a waste of time if you ask me. So wait for it. Sorry if the video is long, but I can't do otherwise. I'm just my data. Paying too much in data fees these days. All right, so confirm the swap. All right, so you need to switch to the other network to view the transfer. Okay, so I'm going to do that. But first of all, let me swap to Ethereum. As I told you, the address remains the same. Let me swap another coin. Let me swap BUSD. Let me swap 97 BUSD to Ethereum. I'm going to swap now. All right, so wait for it. This video is taking long. I'll be pausing it. I think I should be pausing it. So the swap is done to Ethereum. I'll do to the other REST network, and then that's it. Okay, so done to Ethereum. We've done to Avalanche. So now I'll do to Polygon as well. Let's do 100 to Polygon. I'll pause. All right, done to Polygon now. I'm going to do to. Okay, I think that's all. I've done to Polygon, Avalanche, and the rest. So that's all. The next thing to do is to pool. I'll go to pool. So now basically what you need to do here is to play around. I've shown you how to do this transfer, so you can do up and down. Now for instance, now the one I've done to Polygon, let me go to my Binance Smart Chain. Let me go to my Binance now. All right, let me change this network from Binance to AVAX. All right, so I can go and redeem the coin I've actually transferred. So let me go to AVX. So this AVAX. Now we go back to that site. We go back to this site now. This is one of the downside is showing. It's showing me. It's not showing me any history here. Let me check. Please let me check. Let me check Matic Mumbai. Polygon Matic. Around these guys. So this is one of the things I noticed. It's not all the from all the swapping that will be showing you your history. So let me try and swap from Polygon Matic to Avalanche. No, rather let me swap from Avalanche to Polygon Matic. These are my test tokens that I have. I will swap. Let me swap 500 of this. I'll paste the address. Okay, it's not on this chain, so I'll need to change my wallet to Avalanche to make the swap. So play around it, and you'll be fine. Okay, just play around it, and you'll be eligible for the. You'll be eligible for the drop. So I'm making a swap. This on AVAX, from AVAX to Polygon. Confirm. So it's invalid. Now you can see when you are swapping from Avalanche to Polygon, it will show here, but on all those other chains they don't show. Okay, so that is you can see it's showing here in this my swap histories. When I swap from Avalanche to Polygon, but when you swap from all those other networks, it doesn't show. So that is a bug you can report. So now, since you've done this swap, now you need to redeem. To redeem, right, you need to be on Polygon to redeem because you have sent it to Polygon. So I'll go to Polygon now. I'll switch the network back to Polygon. Polygon is Mumbai. So I'll go back here. All right, it's because of long video like this I was unable to post the UMI. The email that dropped in was about $78, you know, at the time of dropping. So now we'll click on redeem. To redeem the coin we transfer to this chain. This is amazing. This is slow and boring. Don't know, when you send coin I'll still go and confirm it. No, I don't like that idea. That one is not very, very nice. So I won't be able to do for all the chain, okay, but you can be switching all the chain on your MetaMask, connect to this one, then sending to all of them, making a swap up and down. It's just to play with it. It's just only remaining 2 days, remaining tomorrow for you, and then before the end of this testnet. So I won't be able to be posting everything, to be doing all of it. You know, you can see it's taking a lot of time, you know, already. So I'm gonna pause. All right, so let's go to the pool. Now let's go to the pool. We have done the bridging and the swapping, so let's go to the pool. To add liquidity, you need to choose the coin. Let me choose a coin to use. Let me choose DAI again. Let me use 439. I'm gonna add liquidity. Click on add liquidity. So that's just gonna be the end. Once you've done this pooling, you are done. You can do other things, change network up and down and play with it, okay? So I'm adding liquidity now. It's just going to load, approve, and then that'll be it. let me pause the video. So I'm adding liquidity on the AVEX network. Confirm. All right, so it's done. The liquidity has been added. And let me check. This is on AVEX. All right, so this is the liquidity I've added. So you can do add and remove liquidity as well if you want. Okay, so you can do it for all the chains, you know. That is basically is to play around with it. So I've shown you one how to do. You can do more. I can do more on that same BUSD. I can do on DAI as well. I can do another 100 DAI, and you know, and whatnot. So this all you need to do to be qualified for this drop. They are dropping about $50,000 on the whole chain. Okay, I think they have about 6 active chain, but Pontoon and the other one, Celo, is not working here. See, so that'll be all. I'm going to stop the video here. Thank you for your time. It's your boy Aquinas Padre, the crypto guy. Do like, subscribe, and comment. Help me grow the channel, okay? If you have given your value. Thanks for your time. You can follow me on Twitter at Aquinas Padre, and I'll follow you back. Thank you. All right, done. So this is my TP, my P token balance. You can see it. This I've added liquidity. All right, now let me remove liquidity from the other one. Let me show you how to remove liquidity. This BUSD, I think I have 571. Let me remove liquidity. I'm going to remove 71 of it. Let me remove 71. That is about 2 point something %. This could be calculated at interaction as well. Confirm. So you can do this adding of liquidity on all the chain like I told you earlier, and see how that goes. All right, so that's all about this. I'm stopping this here now. Oh, this is too long. All right, thank you. Have an amazing day ahead. You can see it has been removed. You check now, the liquidity has been removed. Okay, this is on Avalanche. So it was on DAI, right? No, it was on BUSD. You can see the 71 has been removed. So you can check your balance as well from here. Balance. These are my balance. You can check your balance. So these are what I have in the liquidity. These are my liquidity position. All right, you can check on all those other chain too. All right, so have an amazing day ahead.